guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danny and this is the Miss Danny Show. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. Today's video is going to be on a desktop ring light. Now this is the brand Traxx and this comes from Five Below. But as you know, everything inside Five Below is not Five Below anymore, especially the tech. The tech is at least $5.95 and up. They raised the price to some random thing like that. But this particular ring light was $10. So some stuff in there, the tech ranged from $5.95 to $10. I haven't seen anything in the store higher than $10. So yeah, so they did have 3 types, but I decided to get the Deluxe Studio Heart Light, the heart one. They did have a circle one, but the circle one that's circle like a regular ring light, that one was 8 inches. And it had like the foam thing at the top of the light, which I thought was weird. And then they had like a star one that had like the foam part at the top of the light as well, which I also thought was weird. So the heart one is the only one that had the foam in the center of the actual light. So this, I hope that it's okay for like a desktop when you don't want to set up all these lights. Say if you're doing a live or something from your phone and you don't want to set up a whole bunch of stuff or set up your big ring light and all that. I hope that this will be sufficient for that, to just put this like on your desktop while you're doing your live like that. So we're gonna see. Again, this is from Five Below and this was $10. It says the 8-arch heart ring light. It includes an inline remote, a metal collapsible tripod, a universal phone goose mount, and a USB power cable. And it says it's good for tutorials and selfies, videos, and vlogs. So I'm going to open it up. So it's a USB, so that means it doesn't have like the plug-in. So if you are live or something, you're going to have to like plug it in something that has a USB, or like a computer or something. I do have my laptop right here, so I can plug this in. So yeah, again, this is how it looks. So it does come with instructions with all the steps. So this is not a toy. Keep away from children and pets and stuff. So yeah. So this is the actual light. It does seem kind of small. Again, this is 8 inches. And it does have like a power on and off, plus and minus, and like a rotation, I guess, to make the lights brighter and stuff. And this is the USB port. And it's the little hole here, I don't know if you can really see it, that you screw like the foam part in there. I guess you screw this part in there. This is a little tripod portion. Okay, opens like this. Almost dropped it. I'm assuming this goes here, because this is the only way it'll stand up. Okay, so that bottom part is there. Okay, so this bends. So I'm assuming that's how this gets screwed in. So unscrew this, it says counterclockwise. I don't feel like doing anything. It says unscrew this counterclockwise, but I don't see anything. Oh, I guess unscrew that. It says pull this apart. Okay, so that's how you do that. And then you bend this part to screw this in. Okay, you bend that. You can bend that to however you like it, your phone to be. Then you put this back on, and then you clamp that back. And then you twist this back on as well. Twist this back. Okay, and then this part on here to hold your phone. So I can take this stand off. Let me take this stand off because I accidentally put it on incorrectly. So according to the direction, this part screws in here. And then this part screws it here. See, that's why it always pays to read the directions. Because I could have just swore it was just fine, just the way it was, you know. You can stand it up however tall you want it. Depends on how you put out the legs. And then the phone part do stretch open, so it does widen to how you want your phone. I don't think it clamps to stay in one spot. No, it just open like that. So that's that. So again, read the directions, y'all. But I did pretty much show you exactly how to put it on. Now, this is going to plug in the USB part to my computer. And when I plugged it in, the power button turned blue. So I'm going to press the power and see what it does. Okay. This is how bright it looks on the first go around. And I can keep pressing it to kind of make it brighter. And now I'm going to press the minus to see how low it gets. So that's the lowest that it gets. So it does get pretty bright. And I'm gonna, it's a button on here with 2 arrows that's going the opposite way. I'm gonna press that and see what it does. Oh, it changes the hue, the warmness of it. Okay, so that's another one. And that's another one. So this is the brightest. So it's 3 different like warmness. So this is the darkest, this is the medium, this is the brightest. So that's for like the 3 like settings. But you can also press like the plus and minus to get the actual light brighter and darker as that. Okay, so you can make it lighter and darker, and plus you can also change the actual warmness. So they have 3 different temperature of the warmness. Okay. So that's how we looking. And I'm gonna put my phone on here. So I can tell the difference absolutely with turning off the light and using it just from this regular light and adding it this light right here to my phone. So this is how it looks on your actual phone. I have an iPhone 11. And okay, and you can also rotate the phone like this. I like how it looks in landscape form. So yeah, I would think this light is like cute or whatever. This is $10 again. And if you have a little kid that want to do YouTube videos and stuff and started investing in like a almost $200 ring light, I think this little small little desk light will be okay if they just want to present stuff or just come on and just talk. If you want to do Instagram Live, YouTube Live, or something like that, something intimate. I think that this light is okay. So I do not have to return it. And at Five Below, they give you 2 weeks to return items. After 2 weeks is store credit, but I think the girl said you can return it up to 2 years as long as you have like your receipt or whatever. So yeah, so I really do think this is okay. I really, really do. You click on video form and see how I look. Yeah, this is really okay. I'm actually shocked though. Yeah, this is okay, guys. I think this is a buy. So would I buy it again? I absolutely would. I would buy it as a gift too if I know somebody that wants like a ring light or something for something that's simple, you know. But again, this is how it looks all set up. And I'm going to do the light settings again. So I'm going to turn it on. And this is the warmness. 1, 2, 3 is the brightest. And I'm going to make the brightest low as I can get it. That's the lowest it'll get under the brightest setting. And this is the brightest it gets under the brightest setting. So this is the lowest warmness. This is how low it gets under the lowest warmness. And this is how bright it gets. And this is the medium. This is how low it gets under the medium warmness. And that was the brightest it gets. So yeah, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave it down below. Like I said, it doesn't have like a plug-in. It only comes in USB form. So keep that in mind. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. This was $10 from Five Below. All my social media is down below. If you want to read any of my ebooks, I have them on Amazon Kindle for 99 cents. Kindle Unlimited, you get to read both parts for free. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.